Hello everyone, welcome back to 英語英会話一日一言. Are you ready for some listening practice again? Yes? Alright, now let's get down to business. So I'm going to say an English phrase and I want you to write it down on a piece of paper or your notebook. Okay, ready? I'll say it twice. So listen carefully. Here I go. I'm into studying English. I'm into studying English. Write it down and we'll talk about what it means. Alright, so the answer is I'm into studying English. I'm into studying English. Let's break it down. This phrase is a casual way to express your interest in or passion for something. When you say I'm into studying English, you're telling someone that you really enjoy learning English and that it's a significant part of your hobbies or daily activities. All right, now let's practice saying it together. Let's say it slowly first. I'm into studying English. Okay, notice how I put all the words together? Listen again. I'm into studying English. Right? No gaps between the words, right? That's how we pronounce it. It's not a must, but it's going to make listening easier, so please try and do that. Okay, now please repeat after me and remember to put all the words together. I'm into studying English. Again, I'm into studying English. Okay, now one last time at normal speed. I'm into studying English. Let's do that again. I'm into studying English. All right, great job. Now let's talk about usage. For example, if someone asks you why you spend so much time studying English or watching this video, you could respond, I'm into studying English. Or you can add a little more information, saying, I'm into studying English because my teacher's really funny. Okay? All right, so if you have any reasons, you just put them at the end. Okay, so what are you into? I love to hear from you. Maybe it's a sport, an art, another language. I don't know. Please let me know. Share your passions in the comment section and I'll like you guys. Okay, I'm going to like your comments. So please keep them coming. All right, anyway, thank you very much for watching today's 英語英会話一日一言. I hope you'll start using I'm into studying English or whatever. Instead of studying English, you can put some other things you're interested in and talk about your interests. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with our daily phrases, and see you in the next video. And remember to keep exploring what you're into. All right, bye.